What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. We're going to be talking about EV versus gas. So this is a new series I'm going to start doing. It's basically just going, as I go to work and stuff, we're just going to talk about different topics in the car community and different, maybe some other stuff. We'll see how it goes, but let's jump into the topic. Alright, so let's jump right into it. Listen, EVs, we all admit, they are freaking faster than most cars out there. A lot of cars out there. Most of the cars out there, probably. I don't think they really are much faster than... I don't really know a car that they're not faster than but they're pretty fast. You can't really deny that. The torque they give off, it's unbeatable. You know, unless you're spending lots of money on building your car up, the torque from an electric car is just instant. It just pounds you in the chest. You can't get that feeling really from anything else other than if you built a drag car and you're literally pouring tons of money into it to literally get that torque. But you know, you can buy, but then you just go right to a Tesla dealership, or even I've never driven any other car other than a Tesla that's electric. But you go, I think even the Ford Mustang one, which I don't really want to call it a Mustang, but I think I've heard that had like 700, 800 horsepower right off the thing, and I don't know how much torque it has. That's the horsepower they say. Just sounds weird because there's no engine. But maintenance on them, you know, listen, I don't know. I don't think I hear much about maintenance on them, other than the batteries, which is a whole other topic I can go a whole thing about, which is more of a negative than positive right now. But your average maintenance, there's no oil, there's no this, there's no that. But besides maybe grease, I guess, maybe brakes, tires, Freon, I guess, for your AC, because you know that always leaks eventually. I really don't know what else is really, there's really not a lot of maintenance on them, I don't think. And I can just go home and you can just go home and charge it up and go to work and commute and everything. And like I said, and jump into that, it's like, you know, commuting wise, I got 100% understand, you know, if you have a specific range, it's like, all right, yeah, I go to work, come back, I charge at home. I don't worry about a gas station. I don't have to worry about sitting in a line for a gas station like a lot of people do at Costco, which I don't still understand why. You want to comment down below why you're rather sitting in a gas station line that's like a mile long just because it's like slightly cheaper. You let me know down in the comments below why you would do that. Which to me, I feel like you just burn more gas and you're wasting your precious time on that. So, other than the good things about it, why would I stick to gas? Why do I want to stick to gas? I guess, or why would anybody want to stick to gas? Realistically, for a car person, there's zero soul in an electric car. You're in an electric car, you're literally just driving a car. It's just silent. You know, even this car, the Mustang, I wish I had the Mustang with me, which I did make a video of this video actually once already, but sadly, it was too loud actually to hear my voice talk, so re-recording it in the truck, and we're going to do my business stuff. But yeah, so the reason I'm sticking with the gas is, for one, electric vehicles do not have a soul. It's just when you drive them, it's like you're just driving. It's like you hit the gas, you may get a little whine. I guess you may get the little whine. I guess the car is whining that you're hitting it, but that's it. You know, you're just driving, there's no shifting, there's no sound, there's no drama to the freaking thing. If I freaking hit the gas and the engine blows up, damn, that car's gonna sing and sound like shit. But if the EV blows up, what? It's gonna go, man, it's just coast. It's like, well, I think I broke something, I don't know. It didn't make a sound. I guess at that point, maybe it will make a sound. It depends what breaks. But at that point, I don't think you want to hear any sound coming from an electric vehicle. And on that note, you know, when I drive the Mustang, like I said, you hit the gas pedal, you hear it running, you hear it revving, you hear this, you know, you hear the shifts. It's like, it's just more enjoyable for me to ride in. More like pleasant, just be like, oh, yeah, that's like my dopamine. Just like, oh, here's the sound, hit the gas. You know, even though I might not be going too much fast, even in a car you're not going fast. And I had that Miata. The Miata, I hate the damn thing. I hate the exhaust on it, but you know what? It was fucking fun to drive because you just hit the gas and you just go, and that's it. I had that Miata a little bit ago. That thing, you just hit the gas and you just go, and your thing revs your ears out. I hated it. I don't like four cylinders without exhaust, but it was just fun. So I understand why people do put them on it, because it is fun just to hear, and it's a little annoying for me. A little annoying, but you know, but there's character. No electric vehicle lets you put a speaker on it. That's all you're gonna get. Another thing is, which is something I really don't think it is. I think this is the main thing why I don't really like EVs, and not that I like EVs. I just don't think it should be pushed on people. Is the infrastructure is just not there. It's just not ready yet. Honestly, and I think the only time an electric vehicle will be efficient to run is when we are able to generate electricity from the car itself and drive it. Which then, you know, that's not gonna happen anytime soon. I don't think they're gonna let it happen. I don't think it's gonna happen like that soon. And if it does happen, you know the taxes on those vehicles are gonna go up on the DMV. So just keep that in mind. Oh shit! I gotta make sure I'm going 25. This area is really bad. So in all honesty, listen, there's room for EVs. There's room for gas cars. There's billions of us in this world. Everyone has their preferences. Maybe the EV is more beneficial for you. You can drive back home for a commute, and that's all you care about a car, and maybe that's all a car is made to do. It's just go back and forth. Just us cars guys just like to hear the sound and like to put things on the cars and like make them do things that they're really not supposed to be doing on the road, but they do. They do, but it's fun. I can't help it. But don't come for my car because it's inefficient. Just because my V8 is inefficient, my 6-cylinder is inefficient, my 4-cylinder is inefficient, whatever it is, don't come for it just because of that, because this is America. America, land of the free, where we... So, other than that, guys, I'll end the video up there. Like I said, I'm not going to make these things really long videos, so listen, what do you think about the whole thing? What do you think about the whole trading your car for an EV thing? I will not probably do it. I'm probably holding it down. So, drop a comment, what you guys think about it. Let me hear your take. And are you team gas or are you team electric? Or you just don't give a shit and you're in for the ride and just say, I'm just gonna go for what's more fun for me. So comment down below. Once again, leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel. Do what it takes to follow your dreams. Don't let it get away. Stay maverick. I'll see you guys in the next one.